Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are kicking off an exciting series on prompt engineering. If you are interested in learning artificial intelligence, machine learning, or building smarter chatbots, then this series is for you. By the end of today's video, you will have a solid understanding of what prompt engineering is and why it is such a game changer in building AI applications. Whenever you type into an AI like ChatGPT, you normally do it with a purpose in mind. You craft an input, you type into the AI, and you are expecting an output. So your ability to craft the right input so as to get your required output is simply what prompt engineering is. You should know that the quality of the output you get from an AI heavily depends on how you frame your input. That is why prompt engineering is very important. It drastically improves the efficiency and usefulness of your AI output. With the right prompt, you can unlock the full power of the AI, whether it is generating creative content, analyzing data, or assisting in decision making. So also, it will always improve the efficiency of your output. For example, a well-crafted prompt means you will get the right answer faster, reducing the need for multiple tries. So also customization is another thing to consider. It allows you to tailor AI responses to specific needs. For example, whether you are in marketing, research, or even coding, a strong prompt can give you exactly what you need. Now think about businesses using chatbot for customer support, or authors using AI for content generation. Prompt engineering is what helped them to get the result they need without wasting time. Now let's look at an example of a bad prompt as well as a good prompt. A bad prompt is like, write about electric cars, or let me say write about cars. So such type of a prompt will give you a broad answer, an unintended answer, while a good prompt is a well-described prompt that is well written with a purpose in mind. For example, let me say write a 200-word article about the future of electric cars, focusing on battery technology and its environmental impact. So now let's see this practically within the ChatGPT interface. For example, I would say write about electric cars. Write about cars. See, this one is it's just broad without any intended purpose. There are many cars, types of cars and all this stuff. So see the answers: types of cars, SUV, technology. Yes, without any purpose in mind. But to get a specific answer, you need to specify your input. Just like I previously said, I can just say write a 200-word article. Article about the future of electric cars, focusing on its battery technology and environmental impact. So let's see the output. You can see now the AI is just giving us a response using the 200 words article, as well as it's talking about electric cars, so also the battery technology and the environmental impact. So this, by specifying the inputs, now we get a perfect output. So this is a good example of of a good prompt. When engineering a prompt, there are a few key factors to keep in mind. That is, clarity is one of them. Make sure your instructions are clear and unambiguous. That is, it's not a question that will have that can be understood in a different way. In such a situation, the AI will just give you any possible answer. You don't get that specific answer. So you also need to consider specificity. You need to be specific. That is, include details, like tone, whether you need a phone context, you need a professional reply, or maybe a phone reply of the output. So also the words count, also the number of words that you need. We should also specify it. That is, if there is the need for those specifications. And then also the context. You need to provide enough background information to guide the AI's response. You need to provide the necessary information. We will explain all this in details, give it examples in our next series. So also constraints. If you need a response in a specific format, e.g. a list in a form of bullet points or a poem, you have to tell the AI explicitly that you need it. What do we expect in the future of prompt engineering? The future for prompt engineers is bright, because as AI is integrated into different aspects of our lives, we will have a more dedicated models for different industries that require a more specific prompts to get some required answers. So these prompt engineering skills will be incredibly in high demand, because it is only the prompt engineers that can write good prompts that could lead to top-tier performance. So this is just a basic introduction to prompt engineering and why it is an important skill. In our subsequent videos, we'll even dive deeper, giving comprehensive examples of good and bad prompts, common mistakes normally made by prompt engineers, as well as how to write contents or poems by using your prompt engineering skills. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss any of our subsequent videos. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next series. If you need a personalized advice on how artificial intelligence can help your business, automate processes, saving time, cost, improving revenue and what have you, then click the link below to book a consulting call with me. And you should do that fast, because I only have some limited spots available, which is only for the selected few, and my consultation is free. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss our subsequent series or videos on prompt engineering as well as artificial intelligence that will help you enormously in your business.